Hi, how you doing? I'm just going to show you what comes in the Stadia Founders Edition box. Please like the video and drop me a sub if you enjoy this content. The white Stadia box comes in a recyclable cardboard box that displays the Stadia logo and Welcome to Stadia on the inside. The bottom of the box displays the silvery words, "One place for all the ways we play." One side shows the barcodes and what's included. The top of the box shows the Stadia logo and a small G for Google. The side of the box says Stadia Founders Edition in silver writing. After quickly removing the cellophane, the lid is removed in an upward motion, revealing the limited edition night blue Stadia controller, which connects to your home Wi-Fi. The buttons and the control sticks of the controller feel nice and tactile and have a similar feel to the Xbox One's controller's ergonomic design. The night blue controller is gorgeous, and you know that a limited amount of people will own this controller, which is nice. The rear of the controller has a USB Type-C connection for charging and connecting to a phone. The controller is sealed in a non-repairable unit which has a built-in 2000 mAh internal rechargeable battery. Google have not said how long the battery will last, but expect at least a day of gaming. And also remember, it has the faster USB Type-C charging, which may be a benefit to impatient gamers. The triggers and bumpers on the back feel really good and well made. On the front of the controller is the 3.5mm audio jack for connecting headphones, and 1 cm below that is a small hole which contains the built-in microphone for in-game chat with friends. Support for USB Type-C headsets will be added after launch, probably in 2020. The buttons in the middle of the controller are as follows. The bottom middle one is the Stadia button, which is used to turn the Stadia platform on, access menus and exit games. It also has a built-in status light. The light has several states: solid white, meaning that the controller is on and linked to a screen; blinking white, meaning the device is awaiting a linking code; and blinking orange, which means Wi-Fi is required and to open the Stadia app. The button on the top right has 3 lines and is the in-game menu button. The button on the bottom right has a square and is for capturing screenshots and videos. The button on the top left has 3 dots and is another menu button. And lastly, the button on the bottom left is not yet enabled, but it is the Google Assistant button. Moving on. This is the USB to the USB Type-C cable for charging your Google Stadia controller, and as this is the UK version, it comes with a collapsible 3-pin charging plug. It contains 2 Stadia transfer stickers. Maybe the second one is a spare one for a friend's face. It comes with a dreamy promise statement about keeping all your games in one place. And this is the quick start setup guide for connecting your controller and Google Chromecast Ultra, making it all work. This is the Chromecast power supply with a mini USB for connection to the Chromecast. It comes with a network cable connection for a direct connection to your router, which is suggested by Google for best results. However, a network cable was not included. The Google Chromecast itself has a mini USB input and a HDMI output. The small cable has a satisfying magnetic connection that is pretty cool. Overall, I was very happy with the quality of the contents of the Stadia's Founders Edition box, especially the limited edition night blue controller. In my opinion, the future of Google in video games looks very bright, especially the fact that developers who create exclusive Stadia games will not be limited by a single console and will be able to create more immersive titles on a grander scale using cloud computing. Stick around to find out what happens in my next video when I test out the free games that come with Stadia. Please like the video and drop me a sub if you enjoyed this content. I would also like to know your views on cloud gaming and Stadia in general in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, stay 100% real, stay 100% Jim. See you later.